Hi there, Tad Hargrave from Marketing for Hippies. Today's video is about niching. And one of my favorite little exercises is a sort of shorthand way to help people figure out what their niche is. So let's take a step back. What is a niche? Your niche is your role in the community. It's the role you want to be known for in the marketplace. So this is a question that I find gets to it pretty well. Imagine this, you're at a party. You overhear people behind you talking, and you realize they're talking about you. Now, the ethical thing would be to say, oh, just so you know, I'm here, so they don't say anything, that would incriminate them. But of course, you're human. So you just not only don't say anything, you lean back to hear what they're going to say. And one of them says, yeah, what does Tad do? What is, and they name you. What does this person do? And the other person says something that horrifies you. What would they say that you'd be like, no, oh God, no, that's not what I want to be known for. Ah, shit. That's not it. That's a good place to start. How do you not want to be known? What are those things that when people say about you, it drives you nuts, yeah? But now replay the same scenario. You're there, they're talking about you, you don't say anything, you lean back, the person says, what do they do? And the other person answers and they say something that makes you want to almost weep with joy. Yes, that's exactly what I do. That's what I want to be known for. What is that thing? What is that thing that you could just leave the party happy? Like, wow, the word on the street is that I do that thing? I'm thrilled to have that reputation. What would that be? It's a good question to ask. It's one of my favorite shorthand ones. It's worth just, sitting down and meditating on and writing down what you come up with. What do you want to be known for? What would you want them to say about you at a party if they didn't know that you were there? So that's it. If you want some more stuff on niching, go to marketingforhippies.com/steps, and step 2 is all about niching. Tons of content there. It's free as of now, though it may not be forever. I've got tons of playlists on YouTube around this. I've got a number of ebooks about it you can check out as well at marketingforhippies.com. You can also follow me on Instagram at marketingforhippies. Thanks so much, everybody.